And now moving on to some other big news coming in right now. According to the sources, the PMO meeting on the export measures, which are due to the US tariffs, that meeting is currently underway. Senior ministers like Amit Shah, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister, and officials from Finance and Commerce Ministry are participating in the meeting underway. Yesterday, the information came through that Prime Minister will be undertaking this meeting to dwell upon how India is going to counter the tariffs that US is imposing on India and its products. So the meeting is underway. Remember, the Prime Minister has also given the assurance that he will ensure that the farmers, the entrepreneurs and the SMEs are not impacted by these US tariffs. Also, the MSMEs will be taken care of. Joining us now is India Today's Karishma Sudani. Karishma, do tell us what will be the key points of deliberation in this meeting. Karishma, if you can hear me, do tell us what would be the agenda of the meeting.
Well, the agenda of the meeting is definitely on the fact that government is worried of how the tariff situation is going to turn out for its domestic exporters. And today's meeting, which is currently underway at PMO, takes great significance of the fact that government is going to come up with a couple of export measures. This is because of the additional 25% penalty tariffs that kicks in from tomorrow, and government is also bracing in case there could be further tariffs coming in beyond the accumulated combined 50% tariffs. Now, we are learning exclusively from our sources that Centre wants to implement a sector-wise export measure rather than a completely collateral combined assistance support that they want to do. This is because textiles industry specifically have shared with the Commerce Ministry that they'd appreciate and they'd like it if there could be a sector-specific financial help that would come in from the centre in order to keep their sector afloat. Let's not forget, textiles is one of the industries that is highly impacted because of the tariffs. Because if we keep pharma aside, electronic aside, energy aside, then textiles and gems and jewelry are suffering the most.
Right, Karishma. Thank you very much for those details, and we'll be keeping an eye on this meeting to find out what form and shape of help could come across to those impacted sectors.